How to delete contacts on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open contacts on your iPhone, and now go ahead and search through the contact that you want to delete. Simply tap on the name of the individual whom you want to delete from your contacts, and once opened, tap on the edit option on the top right of your screen and then scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for delete contact. Tap on that, and when prompted, tap on the delete contact option again, and with this, the contact will be deleted. So, this is how you can delete contacts on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.